Hey, I can pull up.
Hey guys, Omar here, and today I'm gonna be doing a vlog, more like with my boy Andrew and his little brother Jay. Boy.
Boy, if you don't calm down with that damn shit.
Hey, tell him what y'all YouTube channel is.
Mine's Andrew Zacharias. I don't know what his is.
Well, I mean, obviously they know 'cause this is my video.
Yep.
So yeah, but today, you know,
You
Andrew,
gonna find out sooner or later.
Jay, quit with that shit, boy. Anyway, boy.
This nigga trying to freaking
Anyway,
kick off and shit.
yeah, today we're just walking around the city. We just came back from McDonald's, you know. Just came out of Stater Brothers to see my cousin. And I don't know, we're gonna be heading back home now. But
Fucking bitches right in the pussy hole, nigga.
hey, oh.
Maybe.
They about to block us on my YouTube channel. They about to flag us.
I ain't gonna flag no one.
They're gonna flag you because you know you ain't get no pussy.
Fuck you.
Damn,
No,
it feels
you know
good
I
to
do.
be a gangster. Where's the thug light glasses when you need them? Damn, it feels good to be a gangster. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna be going now home. We're possibly just gonna chill and kick it. Maybe later on when we get back to my house, we're gonna probably try to do another video. Maybe like another challenge video or like, you know, something.
Bitch right in the pussy hole.
Oh, we might do the Bean Boozled challenge.
You
Oh,
still
hell
have
no.
it? Oh, okay.
No.
I got it.
For those of you who don't know what that is, it's a game where it has like these nasty jelly beans where it has like skunk flavored.
Hell no.
It
That sounds
has
good.
You should have done
dog
it the first
wipes. It has dog food. Not dog. I said dog wipes.
time. Dog wipes. That
Boy.
shit's nasty.
Baby wipes, dog food, skunk, glass. Ooh, imagine glass clippings,
Oh, hell no.
grass clippings, and a lot of other stuff. And they got like good flavors too, like Tutti Frutti,
Barf?
toothpaste. Oh yeah, and they got barf. Like oh.
Oh,
But we might be doing that
dog
challenge.
food. That shit's nasty.
We might be doing that challenge, but yeah, Andrew over here don't want to do it, but I'm gonna make him do it.
I want to do it.
All right, Andrew,
That sounds good.
Jay want to do it, so you know.
Little little douche.
Look at that grown man got a damn mini cuckoo. That guy got a Prius.
I don't know. What did you think?
When you know
Ryan
it's symbol,
Griffin?
that's a symbol that a man has given up hope. What it is. What do you mean?
Wait.
I swear, bro. A couple years ago, I saw like some people getting down,
Where?
like not getting down, but like
Going.
doing it behind that building over there. Right?
Really?
Like they was like hitting it, yeah.
Butt naked?
Yeah.
That's
No,
not-
like that. No,
He said
like,
butt naked.
no, like that guy had his pants on. He was hitting it doggy style.
Hey, what is he?
I saw two people making out
Jay.
at the high school.
Hey, where they
That
hitting
is-
it? Where they hitting it like?
Boy,
Boy. To censor it. Oh shit.
What?
boy.
Nigga.
Hey, boy, slow down. They over here running. Slow that ass down.
Nigga, ain't no one going that way.
This guy was trying to go through the drive-thru on his bike. This guy. Honk that horn.
Hey, honk that horn, nigga.
Elotes, $5. We sold out. Just for good measure, do it again.
One more time.
Just for good measures. We're gonna get like over like almost $300,000 for them to knock down their house and build something else. Like, boy, you could have go and get a better house. What's your little Shrek-looking ass swamp house?
Oh, head ass.
Not that far from here. My house is just like
Yeah, I'm not beating
Honk
it.
the horn. Elotes.
Elote! 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 Elote!
Alright guys, well this was just a short vlog, but
Nigga sweating out here like a motherfucker.
this was just a short video of a vlog. Make sure you guys like, comment,
Subscribe, nigga.
subscribe.
Subscribe to my shit, Andrews After Ride, nigga. You see me freestyling, but I be stuttering, but I might make one soon, my nigga.
But yeah, subscribe and make sure you like. That way I can do some more vlogging videos. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later, and I'll be doing a video later on today. Alright, then. Alright, peace out.